Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machines. Simply turn the dial and pick your favorite among 27 patterns with the Brother XM2701. Options include decorative, quilting, and blind hem, among others. This model features an automatic bobbin winding mechanism, so you can spend more time actually working. 27 unique built-in stitches. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, for bobbins, instructional DVD, manual, and more. Versatile free arm. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. At your side support. The XM2701 sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. Number 2. Brother XM1010 Sewing Machines. The Brother XM1010 is a popular entry-level model that can handle a range of tasks. It boasts a lot of small conveniences, such as a drop-in bobbin, a threading diagram printed on it, and a buttonhole foot that allows you to create custom holes in 4 simple steps. 10 unique built-in stitches. The Brother XM1010 features 10 built-in stitches including utility stitches, decorative stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole. Easy needle threading and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine features a needle threading diagram right on the machine, and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XM1010 comes with a complete set of accessories, including 4 sewing feet, 3 needles, for bobbins, an instructional DVD, manual, and more. Versatile free arm. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. Number 3. Singer Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Finish projects faster than ever with the Singer 4432. Which contains a rugged motor that delivers 1,100 stitches per minute. The adjustable presser foot pressure offers versatility, while the stainless steel bedplate helps cut down on snags. Heavy-duty metal frame adds stability and provides long-lasting durability. A variety of accessories are included: all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper/lint brush, edge/quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin, and spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging. The Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine has a built-in reverse lever so you can sew in reverse and reinforce stitches. Limited 90-day for adjustments, belts, rings, bulbs, attachments, limited 2-year for motors, light assembly, wiring, switches, speed control and electronic components, limited 25-year for sewing machine head. Included components includes all-purpose, zipper, buttonhole, and button sewing feet, seam ripper/lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt, soft-sided dust cover, power cord, foot controller, quick start guide. 110V machine. Professional speed for faster results. Number 4. Brother XR3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Both newbies and experts will appreciate the easy-to-use Brother XR3774, with its 37 integrated stitches that are a breeze to select. It comes with 8 feet and a free arm that allows you to hem pants without any hassles. The Brother XR3774 includes 37 built-in stitches including blind hem, decorative and quilting stitches and a 1-step buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XR3774 quilting and sewing machine comes with a machine cover, wide table, 8 sewing feet, instructional DVD, and more. Versatile free arm. The Brother XR3774 is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing and quilting projects, and users from beginners to advanced. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. Number 5. Singer Start 1304 Sewing Machine. Casual sewers and budget-minded individuals will gravitate toward the Singer 1304. With 6 patterns and preset widths and lengths, it's a straightforward and enjoyable machine to work with. You'll be able to see clearly, too, thanks to its LED workspace light. The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine is basic, simple, and easy to use thanks to 57 stitch applications, all with preset stitch width and stitch length. Just select your stitch and start sewing. Singer Start 1304 Start Free Arm Model Sewing Machine has 25-year limited. This lightweight and portable machine weighs only 7 pounds, making it great for sewing in smaller spaces or taking to sewing class. Automatic bobbin winding sewing machine. To wind a bobbin, simply follow the numbered diagram printed on top of the sewing machine. The bobbin will automatically stop turning when it's completely filled. Singer Start 1304 accessories includes all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, darning plate, pack of needles, bobbins, needle plate screwdriver, spool pin felts, seam ripper/lint brush, power line cord, foot control, quick start guide, instruction manual. Amps 0.6. This sewing machine is warranted for use in the US and Canada at 110 volts only. 110V machine.